Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Brown color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, black color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, green color, light green color, blue color, and red color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for god. H for helicopter. It's now you draw I. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. And P for parrot. It's now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.